Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for manifestation, affirmations. If you've been looking for a way to manifest your desire consistently, this video is for you. First things first, what makes a good affirmation? Not all affirmations are created equal. For an affirmation to be truly powerful, it needs to have three things. 1, be positive. Focus on what you want, not what you're avoiding. 2, present tense. Speak as if your desire is already happening. And 3, make it personal. Use I statements to make it about you and your journey. For example, instead of saying, I don't want to feel stress, you can say, I am calm and in control. See the difference? It shifts your focus from the problem to the solution. Now, let's talk about crafting specific affirmations for different goals. Your affirmation should align with your desired outcome. So here's how you can approach it. For love, if you're manifesting love, an example could be, I'm attracting a loving, supportive partner into my life who aligns with my highest good. For success, try something like, I am capable, confident, and open to all opportunities that bring me closer to my dreams. Always remember, clarity is key. Be specific and make sure the affirmation excites and motivates you. Here's the fun part. Incorporating affirmations into your daily life. You don't need to set aside special time to practice them, though that helps too. Instead, weave affirmations into your everyday routine. And here's how. If you have a morning routine, which I suggest you have, say your affirmations out loud while getting ready. If you have mindful moments throughout the day, repeat affirmations during mundane tasks like brushing your teeth, making your coffee, doing the dishes, something you don't really pay much attention to while you're doing it. Journaling. Write down your affirmations as part of your journaling practice. You can also incorporate affirmations during your workouts or morning walks. This really amplifies the energy. So that's how you can create and use affirmations to manifest your desires consistently. Remember, the more you repeat them and believe in them, the more they become part of your reality. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs a little affirmation boost in their life. Until next time, bye guys.